Disney Park today. Jack, where are we?
Disneyland Paris.
Disneyland Paris.
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 I haven't seen the castle yet.
It's my 5th anniversary. I haven't seen the castle yet.
Haven't seen it
For
yet.
first time in Disneyland Paris. Right, when we get through there, we'll give Jack's first reactions to the castle. Let's go.
Photo passes and then you
Can't look
Who
yet.
am I doing?
I'm surprised with myself. I know.
Keep looking down then.
We'll get there.
We'll get there.
Let's all past that screen. Just show them the screen.
Look at this. Probably now.
Now. Oh, it's so pretty.
You like it?
Yeah.
I don't think it's as good as. Oh, I don't know. Like the mountains.
It's different though, isn't it?
Yeah, like with the mountains on the side and the waterfall and the trees and. Yes. Hyperspace Mountain.
Yeah.
Do you enjoy your
bitty orange juice?
bitty orange? Disgusting.
So what?
Oh, it's horrible. Hyperspace Mountain. Here we go. 30-minute queue. What we did though is we got a fast track for Buzz Lightyear. That's in half an hour. This is an half an hour queue. So by the time we come off this fast track, boom, straight on. Two kill birds.
Two kill birds, stone
Kill two. So we're going in Hyperspace Mountain. I haven't been on the new refurb.
He's gonna love
Hyperspace.
it. He's gonna love it.
Theming round here is superb. Oh,
Look at it.
oh. What do you say, POV? Willy-nilly?
POV.
Not bothered?
Not bothered. Lasers, projections.
Pew, 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 pew.
I got launch, so that was good.
Launch is good, isn't it? It just hangs over the top. And the speed going down, it's like it's straight into an helix,
So
isn't it?
quick in that.
It's looping there. Mental. Honestly, how they fit it in all there, I don't know. But superb. Oh, does it?
Yep.
There you go then. I think the back row will be good on this. Obviously, I just come over the top, pause you over, get a bit of airtime. We're going to Buzz Lightyear now. Me and Jack are going to have a little competition again. We've got our fast track. That's on the hour, 11 o'clock.
Anyway, let's see who wins. I'll show you around the queue line.
I will remain here at Star Command to coordinate the mission. Battle stations. Report to the flight deck for immediate launch. To infinity and beyond.
I beat Jack on Buzz Lightyear. You know, Jack, I beat you. What'd you get?
84.
I got 141. But then my morale went rock bottom.
327,000.
267,000.
Me and Jack have been outplayed. That's that then.
We hit the triangle once.
Yeah, well, I was trying.
Square ones.
I was trying. Obviously didn't hit them. Yeah, we're just in the Toy Story shop. Then we're going to go... You know what, I don't even know where we're going. We're just going to go else. Anywhere. It's a small, small world. Small world.
It's a small.
It's a small world. Can I get you some footage?
Footage.
What are you expecting? Same as America?
Small world. It's too big.
Do you like, this?
Too big a world.
Do you like this?
When you've done it like 50 times.
Ah, yeah, true. Oh, we've done it quite a few times, but
But this is better than the USA one. Better than Florida.
you reckon? Yeah.
Better than Florida.
Oh. I'll get a bit of footage. It's not going to get a full POV.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm
you know
not, mate. I'll get a little bit of a POV. How is it? It's a small world.
It's okay.
Is it small?
Yeah.
Going on Casey Jr. Never been on this. Casey Jr.
Back row's the best.
Why?
Its face is backwards.
Face is backwards.
That's the only seats to do.
That's right. Hello?
The coaster.
Yeah.
Power coaster.
Just
There you go, Chris.
Adventureland. It's been on
Casey Jr.
Casey Jr. Matt Perrod, wasn't it?
I think so.
It was alright. It wasn't too bad actually. Pirates of the Caribbean.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
Can't wait till the Pirates of the Caribbean. I'll show you where the queue line. I'm not going to do POV because it'll be too dark. Half an hour queue.
Brand new as well.
Any rides around here that we can get fast track for?
It's only Big Thunder, but that's like all the way over there.
Oh yeah. Right. It's from Pirates of the Caribbean.
Yeah, that's good, you know.
Stunning. I'll just give it out of 10.
What are we going now?
A Wild Jack review.
Sorry, 10.
10.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Good.
Yeah. I don't know. I think it's a solid 8. Oh god.
Yeah, I'll give it a 10. Yeah, it's superb. The rework on it is beautiful, isn't it? It's great.
Yeah, it's like
unreal.
It's like Orlando's got a bit extra.
Indiana Jones up there. I'd rather. We need the credit for Jack, but see what the queue is. Might have to come back later.
That's what we filmed. We stop it now.
Went through the school.
Let's go. Let's go.
That is not safe.
It is.
Should go through it. Yeah. So what we're gonna do? Had a good day. It's getting sunny. Great. Jack. How did you find Indiana Jones?
It's nice.
Yeah, it's a bit on the rough side now.
Yeah.
It is, isn't it? It's really bad.
Yeah.
Crud to crud though, isn't it?
Yeah.
How did you find Indiana Jones? Yeah, it is.
Halfway round, he goes.
The Coco restaurant by Big Thunder Mountain looks amazing. It really does. Sofa and Sarah looking at the menu. I think we're going to go down at the park and get to McDonald's. You reckon? Who knows? But we're going to come back to the park later. We're going to go to McDonald's. Might go over to Hollywood Studios and go on M&G Tower. Just going on a few rides over there because they've done most everything we wanted to do over here. It's been a bit quiet, isn't it? It's not been too bad. Max, what, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Sound? Yeah, nice one. We're back, Jack. Went to Hollywood Studios, had a few eyes on Sarah.
Yeah.
Rocky roller coaster.
Yeah.
Gonna go have a look. Fireworks. The Raymond train. Raymond train. Big Thunder Mountain. I say that. Castles glittering a bit. Yeah. Hyperspace Mountain. A few others. How'd you find Rocky roller coaster?
It was smooth again.
Terra?
Off the seat.
Yeah. I'll get a proper vlog over in that park tomorrow.
Where is it?
Look on the mountain. Another new cred. Yeah. The last new cred, isn't it?
Is it?
Except for Custer's Coaster, which we can't get on because it's getting refurb. All the new creds that you can get.
Yeah.
So how many new creds have you got? Say, yeah.
How many altogether?
Fuck it. Right, so Hyperspace Mountain.
Yeah.
What's that little crappy one? The little one.
Casey Jr.
Casey Jr. Indiana Jones. Rockin' Roller Coaster. So that's 4. This, which will be 5. That's it. 5 new creds, that's good going for one day.
Well,
Yesterday, how many we had yesterday?
5 or 6.
6 or 7. This had a refurb last time we come out, so we couldn't get on it. But the island's literally in the middle. It's superb. I'll tell you that I'll let you have a little look at the station when we get in there. I'll get you a POV as well. Brilliant. Hello. That was mental at the end. Jack, we have basically finished the day, mate. Basically finished the day. We're gonna watch the fireworks, but I'll video that tomorrow instead.
Ride on Space Mountain.
Yeah, Hyperspace Mountain. Looking good, but yeah, a tricky ride on Hyperspace Mountain there, last ride. And I'm gonna film the fireworks tomorrow, or at least some of it. I'm not gonna do it tonight, so I'm gonna actually watch it. But yeah, Jay, ride of the day. Day of the ride.
Ooh, it's either Space Mountain or Big Thunder.
Ooh, okay.
I think Big Thunder.
Big Thunder.
That end tunnel back to the station. Oh my god.
Okay.
They took that one.
Day of the ride.
Thunder Mountain.
Thunder Mountain. Yeah, I'm gonna say Thunder Mountain as well. Superb. Disneyland, feeling on that. Hollywood Studios tomorrow. Gonna be class. Terra, rocking roller coaster. Loads of us. Just join us. Old Space Mountain. Looks class, doesn't it? Try a bit.